Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set alarm on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just swipe up and open the app drawer on your smartphone. Now from here, just open the clock app on your smartphone. Now just tap on alarm and tap on the plus icon to create a new alarm. From here, just select the alarm on the time you want it to ring. Now from here, if you tap on repeat, you can set the days when you want to repeat this alarm. Just like that. Now just tap on OK. From here, if you tap on alarm sound, you can set any sound for your alarm. Just like that. From here, just go back, and if you tap on label, you can apply a label on your alarm. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on the done icon at the top of your smartphone. Now as you can see, this is how you can set an alarm on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.